Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Rust and easy anti-cheat is not opening or client protection is not active. So what you need to do here, you need to find Rust, right click on it, go to properties, then install files, browse, and then you need to look for easy anti-cheat, and then you should find easy anti-cheat setup here. So what you need to do here is to run as admin, and then after you do so, your screen should blink one time and then launch the game and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then just delete this folder here. And after you delete the folder, easy anti-cheat, you just need to go to Rust, right click on it, properties, install files, and verify integrity of the game files. Your Rust game will re-download that particular folder. Also, a lot of third-party controller programs is blocked by easy anti-cheat, and for that reason, it cannot be opened. So these programs like Revast or DS4 Windows, so if you're using some sort of third-party controller apps, try to disable them all, and also try to disable antivirus software as well. Also, try to disable or unplug your racing steering wheels, your controllers, and just leave with the mouse and keyboard and look if the peripherals is not the problem. Also, I found out on Reddit that VR chat is helping for Rust as well. I don't know why, but it seems that a lot of people solve this issue just by installing VR chat. You don't need to have a VR basically set or headset to have this program. Once it's installed on your PC, then what you need to do here is to run VR chat, run Rust, and if Rust is opened, then you can close VR chat and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.